everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku, a tectonic one, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. And this Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, July the 31st, 2020. This Sudoku will be number, let me focus this first, will be number 1264. Yes, 1264. And this Sudoku, a tectonic one. Let's get started. Alright. Do we have here a single box? That's the question. Yeah, I see the single box here. This is the single box. There comes the one. That means these two boxes surround the one cannot be a one. One box left for the one should be there. This is a dual box, the one and the two. We have a one here, so this cannot be a one. This should be the one and this should be the two. We have a two here, so this cannot be a two anymore. This should be the two and this should be the four. We have a 5 here. These three boxes cannot be a 5. These two boxes should be the 5. We have a 1 here. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So 2 boxes left for the 1 here or there. These two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 2 boxes left for the 1 should be here or there. That means this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes should be the 2 and a 5. As a pair. Here we have a dual box 1 and a 2. Triple box. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. This box, no. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or there. This box cannot be a 1. Because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 5. Let me mark them as a pair. That means these 2 boxes cannot be 1 or the 5. So 2 boxes left, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. And this should be the 5. We have a 1 here, so these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 3 and cannot be a 5, so this should be the number 2. Number 2. 2 boxes left, 3 and a 5. 2 boxes left. This big in this area, 2 and a 3. That means this box cannot be a 2 and cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 or 3 in these 2 boxes. So this should be the 1. And these 2 should be the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes here or there. If I place the 1 here, these 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and a 5. I cannot place the 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 3 boxes. So the 3 goes here and the 5 goes there. We have a 3 here, that means these 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. And that means this box cannot be a 3. No, I made a mistake. Wrong conclusion. Let me think. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes here or there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Alright. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it must be the 5. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be the 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5. This should be the 5 and this should be the 3. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3 and this should be the 2. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. Oh, wait. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left for the 4. That means these 2 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 3 and cannot be a 2, so the 2 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. We have a 3 here in one of those 2 boxes, so this box cannot be a 3. This should be the 3. And then that means this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So these 2 boxes could be the 3. These 2 boxes cannot be the 1 or 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. I cannot place the 2 here. I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be there. And the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left, a 3 and a 5. I cannot place the 3 here. I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be the 2. This should be the 3. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 2. And we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be the 2. 3 and a 5. Ah, we have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Let me think. This box cannot be a 1 anymore. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2 anymore. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 are left. 4 and the 5. Let me mark them. 4 and a 5. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes here. 1, 2, 3 or 4. This box should be 3 or 4. Cannot be a 5 here. 1, 2, 1 or this box should be 1 or 3. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Alright. This box should be also 3 or 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. 4, 5, 4, 5. This should be 4 or 5. 2, 2. This box cannot be a 1, could be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so 2 or 5. Three, 4, that means if I place a 5 here, these 3 boxes cannot be a 5 anymore. So I need a 5 in one of those 4 boxes. So this cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. That means this box cannot be a 5. The 5 goes in those 2 boxes. This should be also 3 and 4. That means this box cannot be 3 or 4 or 5. So it's 1 or 2. And I cannot place a 2 here because I need a 2 in one of those two boxes, so it must be the 1. So with a 1 here, this box cannot be a 1 anymore, so cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be the 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5, yeah, it should be the 3. With a 3 here, so this should be the 4, this should be the 3, this should be the 4, this should be the 2. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. The 2 and the 5 are left. Need to change this. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 here. This cannot be a 4. This should be the 4. This should be the 5. We have a 4, 5 here. This cannot be 5. This should be the 2, and this should be the 5. We have a 5 here, so this should be the 2, and this should be the 5. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. Subscribe, people, only if you like, only if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. See you later. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.